In the hidden depths of underground caves, life thrives in unexpected ways. A tiny glowworm feeling insignificant wonders, what can I do in this vast darkness? Nearby, a wise old stalactite whispers, even the smallest light can guide the lost. Inspired, the glowworm shines brighter, illuminating the path for others. As creatures gather, they realize their unique roles in this ecosystem. Together, we create harmony, says a blind fish, swimming confidently. The cave echoes with newfound unity, proving that every being, no matter how small, has a purpose. Remember, your light can lead others. Hit like, subscribe, and comment.